Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alex and I want to make a quick review of the room I just checked in. So I was in Orlando for a couple of days and now I arrived to Ormond Beach, or like Daytona Beach. It's somewhere like between Ormond Beach and Daytona Beach. So I checked in the Best Western Hotel here, and I actually I'm not sure actually. So I checked in here in Best Western Hotel in Ormond Beach, and this place is like 7 floors, and as you can see, like with balconies and oceanfront and stuff. So then I looked for the hotel. It was like the best location that I needed like for some specific like location I needed. So I went here, and it looks very like old from outside, and I didn't expect rooms gonna be that good. So actually I'm happy. Outside it looks very like super old, like super old. I never even stayed in such places before. So but inside it's really a pretty good rooms for like actually pretty good prices. It's one of the probably good prices in all the like Daytona area. So when you walk in from a door, you have here like all this desk. I already dropped my stuff, so it's like a microwave, coffee machine, some refrigerator here, and the bathroom is kinda I'd say sink is outside like this. So I put all my stuff already, and the bathroom itself is like little one, but it's very like neat and super clean as I just looked around. So I actually very satisfied with this one. And so you have a mirror here, table for like breakfast or whatever. It's actually included breakfast here for all the rates. So there is a closet on that side. Okay, so it's a king bed with 2 desks on each side, and I already dropped my bag here. So it's really clean rooms. Yes, they need probably I'd say they need a renovation, but if you just if all what you need is ocean, then it's just totally fine. You would love the view here. So, and especially for the price. I also got some already. While I was waiting for my room, I went to the store for souvenirs nearby, and I got like magnet with Ormond Beach here, and these cute ones, Daytona Beach with all this like crab and star and stuff. So this one is from Orlando where I stayed. It's like 2 magnets. I just put them together because it's one of them is a gift. And I got also this one. It's a very nice necklace, and the color is just perfect for me with all my colors that I wear usually. And this one is like on a chain, like bracelet, and it's also like some stars and kind of like this. And I also got these ones too. One sec. These 2, it's like this style, and but they're so pretty. These colors is just so amazing. I so much love them. Okay, so we have chair here, AC, and cute picture. But this is basically why I even decided to stay in Best Western. I do have like Best Western Diamond Elite membership, and I like to stay in some Best Western, especially then it's like more kind of luxury ones. It's not many of such locations, but very some, and I prefer to like use my diamond membership up there. But about this location, I choose this only because it's oceanfront, it has balcony, and it's like the closest. It's literally like the closest possible way to be. As you can see, it's literally like first line. Usually some hotels down this street like this way, it's gonna be quite far away and you won't just see it that close. And here is just all I wanted. in one place. All I need is just the view of the ocean and the balcony. Okay, so as you can see, this is a swimming pool from our hotel, and I so much like that swimming pool is 8 feet long, so I mean 8 feet deep, so it's perfect for me because I wanted something deeper, just you can just jump in there, because the hotel I just came from in Orlando, the deepest one was 4.6, like 4 feet 6 inch, so it doesn't really work for me. I couldn't jump up there. But let's see outside, and it's gonna be super windy, but hopefully it's not gonna affect my video. Okay, let's try to see. It's very hard to open this door actually. This is really one thing. Okay, so this is it. As you can see, here is another hotel, and they like swimming pool, and all the way down it's a lot of different hotels and everything. There is like one like small part of land here for sale, as I believe, and this is what I came here for, the ocean view, and the all balconies is just like this, and they like small ones as you can see here, but really cute ones. You have 2 chairs in this balcony, and it's really cool. So, and the view of the ocean is just all I needed from that place, and I actually super satisfied with my check-in here. So okay, so this is it for the room. Room is really nice and really clean and stuff. And so the only thing I would say, this place needs some renovation because it's really get super old, and I guess that's it. But at least this view is never get old. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Thanks, bye.